3 affiliate marketing myths that keep people broke and how the Marie Grove method breaks them. Most people who try affiliate marketing never make a dime, not because the business model doesn't work, but because they're following bad advice. In this video, I'm going to break down the 3 biggest affiliate marketing myths that keep people broke. And I'll show you the smarter, faster way to build your business using my Marie Grove method. And stick around to the end because I'll share a free interactive GPT that will actually build a personalized funnel plan for you in minutes. Myth number 1. You need a huge audience before you can make money. The truth, it's not about audience size, it's about audience targeting. With AI and smart funneling, you can convert a small group of the right people into buyers. Example: a funnel converting 50 visitors a week is more profitable than a generic Instagram with 5,000 followers. Myth number 2. You have to create endless content every single day to succeed. The truth, it's about strategic repurposing, not endless posting. My method turns one core idea into multiple posts, videos, and pins, so you're everywhere without burning out. AI tools plus GPTs make this fast and repeatable. Myth number 3. Affiliate marketing is dead. Nope. What's dead is the old, throw up a link and hope, model. Affiliate marketing is alive and thriving, but you need the right AI tools to make it work in 2025. That's exactly what the Marie Grove method is designed to do. So, if you've been stuck, broke, or spinning your wheels, it's probably because you've been told one of these myths. The good news? You don't have to stay stuck. To help you, I built the Profit Funnel GPT, a free interactive tool that gives you a custom funnel plan for your business in just minutes. It's the perfect next step to start building your business the smart way. Click the link in the description below this video to try it free. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear the truth about affiliate marketing.